what you wanna do, Nyan, Michael,
and Natasha.
Dakawi Dukawishan Nando Middleway Nungu Mikwechka Ijikakina Gegu Mikwechka Ijichikea Nungu Mikwechka Ijiwebak Mikwechka Ijigijagak Mikwech Bimarazian Mino Bimarazian Mikwech Okay, hey, Boozhoo! Welcome back to what is normally the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast.
Hey!
Boozhoo! And welcome back to the show. How you doing? And nicely done. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Michael Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist. Hey everyone! Nicely done. That's a pretty song. I was just kind of working on something. And the lovely and talented Natasha.
Boozhoo Gakina Mino Giga Jabe. Good morning.
Mino Giga Jabe Shannon Hall.
Oh, is Shannon here?
Yeah, she sure is. Right when you said good morning, she was right there.
Oh, Boozhoo, Shannon.
How you doing? Gold star for Shannon.
Gold star for Shannon.
And Sequoia Hummingbird's here. Oh, Boozhoo Sequoia Hummingbird.
Mino Giga Jabe Sequoia Hummingbird with a silver star.
With a silver star. And Sunflower Heather. Oh, Mino Giga Jabe Sunflower Heather.
And a bronze star for Sunflower Heather. Boozhoo, Sunflower.
Oh, and Jim's here. Boozhoo Jim.
Boozhoo, Jim. Mr. Dunn.
Jim Dunn. Oh, are you Jim started? No. I'm Jim Dunn.
Yeah.
Are you Jim just getting started? I'm Jim Dunn. I'm all done. And get her done. And get her Jim done. Okay. Yeah. What do you think, sweetie?
Should we teach a word of a day?
Word of a day?
I mean a word of the day?
Oh, the word of the day?
Yeah.
Because it kind of sounded like you said a word of a day.
Well, I did say that, but I didn't mean to.
Nah, just kidding. Yeah, sure. How about we teach, look at this, sweetie.
Nano Geesha Good.
Nano Geesha Good. It's the 5th day, Friday. This is how you spell it. This is how you say it.
Nano Geesha Good.
And that's the Ojibwe word for Friday. Are we just going to give the word of the day every day for the rest of our lives?
Until it takes over the English term.
Really? Why do we do that? Everyone knows what Friday is, the 5th day. And how's that going to help anybody's life?
I don't know if anything we do is going to help anybody in their life.
Yeah, good point. Nano Geesha Good. It is Friday. Nano Geesha Good. And what's going on in current events, sweetie?
In the news today, no, I don't know.
No. Do I want to talk about Jesse Lee Peterson?
Probably not.
I'm so sick of being disappointed by people. You know. Oh. There's a guy named Jesse Lee Peterson. He's a talk show host, conservative, black, Christian. I think he's even a pastor and, does all this stuff. And he has a radio show, Sometimes I watch it because it's kind of inspirational.
Really?
Yeah, like sometimes I go, oh yeah, we could make our show look like that, He has guests sometimes, people will call in, but mostly he just looks like he's in front of a laptop with headphones on, a microphone, and then he just talks. And the guy is like old school, conservative, Christian, values. He promotes, he says stuff like, don't, this kind of guy went down to like the Women's March and challenged stuff like that, where like, he proposes to be like, morally, I don't know how to say this without talking about the issue.
Well, that's why you weren't supposed to bring it up.
Well, the guy was all about abstinence and no out of wedlock sex and stuff like that. And certainly he was always talking about Satan being your daddy and whatever. And now it turns out a whole bunch of guys come out and go, oh, that guy? Yeah, he's a total homo.
Really?
Yeah. The guy is gay as the day is long. Not that there's anything wrong with that. I mean, anything more wrong with that than being a whatever. But, he's just another hypocrite. Just another liar, hypocrite, closet homosexual, saying one thing, doing another. And I feel like, well, man, I wasted all my time listening to that guy.
Really?
Yep.
Do you feel deceived?
I'm deceived. So, I mean, if you're gay, be gay. I don't care. But don't be gay and then pretend you're straight and chew everybody else out for being gay. So typical. So typical. It's become almost a cliche. Oh, here comes a religious leader who's anti-gay. And, oh, what do you know? He is gay. Yeah, all right. And, I mean, it's only been 2 weeks since Pride Month. And this happens? What a scandal. I mean, and at the very same time, who cares? I know. But so that's in current events. Can you believe it? Debwaitam means believe. Debwayanem is to believe in. Some of you might remember Debway means truth. Truth is Debway. But Debwaitum is believe. Debwaininum. I hate those words that end with nim, like aluminum.
Yeah.
Debwainim is to believe in. But when you don't believe in something, I'll go with then. I'll go with then. Kind of like how we don't believe in outer space.
Yeah.
I'll go with then. Go on, Satan. I'll go with then. Wait on is to not believe. Well, what do you believe in? Oh, I believe in God. Oh, I believe in the Bible. Oh, thou shalt not. And then what's he do? Running around, hanging off these guys. That's enough, Jesse Lee Peterson. But Sequoia says, better start the show with a prayer. There, now you're talking, sweetie. Should we pray?
Maybe I should teleport you outside so you can pray?
Yeah. Well, I may not believe in a lot of things, but I do believe in prayer. Wait them. Let me go put on my tobacco, sweetie, and then we'll have a good show.
Okay. Let me, hey, I'll sit you out by the log cabin.
Oh, that swanky, I mean, it's not a swanky log cabin, but by that waterfall?
Yeah.
Okay. Might as well go someplace nice to put out my tobacco.
All right, hang on. You ready?
I'm going to go outside and put out some tobacco. Yeah, sure. 1 to teleport.
Make it so. No, wait, I say that.
Oh, right. You go ahead.
One to teleport.
Make it so. Number 1. Oh, wow. Now this is more like it. Why don't we do the show from out here? This place is nice. Anyway, yeah. Gonna try to have a good show today. I'm gonna need some help from my creator, from the Great Spirit. Gitchimanadu. Hey, Gitchimanadu. When you pray, kids, listen up. In the Ojibwe way, we like to put out tobacco. We offer tobacco so he'll listen to our prayers. But, you know, God's really old and he can't hear so well anymore, so you gotta yell, "Hey, Gitchimanadu! Accept my tobacco." No, just kidding. You don't even have to say it out loud. You can just think it, but I'm going to say it out loud. Gitchimanadu. Deka odapanan niwi asema. Great Spirit, accept my tobacco. Miigwech kaiji kakina gego. Kaiji chikean nungum. Thank you for everything you do today. Miigwech ka niwi bamadaziyan. Thank you for my life. Miigwech Miigwech ga iji Gijaguk. Thank you for this day. Miigwech ka iji waybuk. Thank you for the weather. Just beautiful. And, you know, Gitchimanadu. Deka we dukawishin. Please help me. Deka we dukawishin. We dukawishin ando minawe nungum. Please help me to speak well today. I really want to do a good show. Help me to teach the language. Help me to tell some stories in a funny way that maybe makes people think or something. I don't know. Thy will be done or whatever. But, you know, help me do my best show I can, I guess. If you don't mind. But I don't want to tell you what to do. So that's a humble request. But I'm not bossing around the creator of Earth. I'm not going to boss around the guy who created this realm and put a firmament in the sky with the stars. I'm not going to tell the Great Spirit who put the sun and the moon in the sky and makes them float up there. It is not my way to be bossing around my own creator. But if you don't mind, if this is in keeping with my path, if this is what you want me to do, I don't know. I don't usually think of myself as a guy who's like serving God, but I do kind of feel like I'm on a path. And I guess I kind of think that path is, you know, made by the great Gitchimanadu. So, in that way, if this is in keeping with a good way of living, would you please help me to speak well today? We dukawishin ando minawe nungum. Miigwech. Apenge. Amen. Thank you. Amen. Miigwech. That means thank you. Miigwech. Oh, you gwech? No. Miigwech. Thank you. Miigwech bizandawiag. Thank you for listening. Thank you for this beautiful place to say a prayer. I hope whoever lives here doesn't mind that I just teleport in once in a while. I think it's the Cartwrights. I think it's the, you know, the guys from Bonanza. I think they live here. This is the eternal fire, the perpetual fire for John F. Kennedy or something. I think they have an eternal flame. Remember that? Is that real or did I dream that? I kind of feel like John F. Kennedy has a gravestone or something where there's somebody guarding a flame that just burns and never goes out. That's some weird stuff right there. I better go back. Maybe Natasha knows something about this. Anyway. Yeah, miigwech.
BOOZHOO!
Hi, sweetie.
You ready to come home, sweetheart?
Yeah, would you mind picking me up?
Not at all. Hang on, I'm going to scan for your coordinates. All right, that's 1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1. Ta-da!
Hey, welcome back.
Thank you.
How is it outside?
Oh, it's perfect. It's like 63 degrees and sunny and beautiful.
I know, it's a nice cabin, isn't it?
Yeah, it's gorgeous. Hey, let me ask you something.
What's that?
Did I dream this, or is there something called the eternal flame where John F. Kennedy is buried?
That sounds right. I don't know. Ask the crew.
Is that true? Do they have like Arlington Cemetery or something? I don't know why I'm thinking of that, but it occurred to me that maybe part of the funeral grave thing of that guy, they have an eternal flame. But if that's true, that's so stupid.
What do you mean?
What a waste of effort and time. And what? How can you possibly keep up with that commitment? For the rest of time, we're going to keep on adding oil to this flame and this little display of how much we miss John F. Kennedy? That can't be right. Hey, Dr. Evils is here. Dr. Evils says, hi, Natasha.
Well, hi, Dr. Evils.
Dr. Evils says, my eternal flame needs ointment. The eternal flame. What was that Cheap Trick song?
The flame? How's that go?
You were the first, you'll be the last.
Wherever I go, I'll be with you.
Whatever I need, I'll give it to you.
Whenever you need someone to lay a heart and head upon,
remember after the fire, after all the rain, I will be the flame.
I will be the flame.
Cheap Trick. Not their greatest song, but still a pretty cool song.
Yeah, not the way we sing it.
Well, not the way we're doing it. Sure Realist says The Flame is a great song. Yeah, see? You know what I'm talking about.
BOOZHOO, Sure Realist.
Remember after the fire, after all the rain, after the something, after all the pain, I will be the flame. Oh, okay. There is something that lives on like an eternal flame. Wisdom from our elders. Since I was a little boy, growing up on my grandmother's knee, she would impart Nebwakawin wisdom. And as I grew older, when I would leave the house, she would always say, hey, be good. If you can't be good, be careful. That was what Grandma saying. Be good. If you can't be good, be careful. Ishi Eya. is to be a certain way. Ayan. So like to be careful, you would say, Ayan guamazi. Ayan guamazi. Behave a certain way. Iji ayan mino. Be good. But if you can't do that, Iji ayan guamazi. If it can't be good, sweetie, be careful. Yeah. And I think this is very deep. Good advice. Okay, if you're not going to be good, at least wear your seatbelt. You're going to crash that car tonight because you insist on drinking and driving, put your seatbelt on. If you can't be good, you better be careful. And slow down. You've had 4 beers. Iji ayat. Be to be. Or not to be. Gawin iji aya zi. Not to be.
Oh, that is how you would probably say that, huh?
Yeah.
To be or not to be? That is the question.
Yeah. To be or not to be. La-dee-da, la-dee-da-dee.
Okay. You want to take a call?
Yeah, I can take a call.
There's someone on line 2 for you.
Okay. Hello, caller. From line 2. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air.
Oh man, I'm freaking out, NANABOOZHOO.
Oh, hey. It's the Cowardly Lion.
Well, hi there, Cowardly Lion. How are you? I'm not doing too good, man. I'm really nervous. I got really bad anxiety, man.
Yeah, I know. That's because you're cowardly. He's got anxiety, sweetie. He's got Zengaindom.
He's the Zengaindom Mitsubishi.
Zengaindom Mitsubishi. He's a nervous lion. Cowardly Mitsubishi.
Don't call me that, man. I'm not a coward. It's just that there's a lot of stuff going on, man, and I just don't know if I can handle it.
Oh, what's the matter?
Well, there's flying monkeys. There's this chick in the woods, and she's walking around with this little dog, and I don't know what to do.
Oh, that's Dorothy. You haven't met her yet?
Well, yeah, I know Dorothy. I mean, we had that whole adventure. That happened a long time ago, man. I'm still nervous.
Oh, really? Cowardly Lion is still cowardly. But I thought you got some courage or something from the wizard.
That guy didn't do anything, man. He was a hoax. He just gave me what did he give me?
Yeah, what was that? Let's see. Scarecrow got a brain, so he gave him a diploma. Tin Man got what did Tin Man get?
He had a heart.
Oh, yeah, he had a heart. So he got a little heart clock or something. And you wanted courage, so he gave you... What, a pair of the old cojones?
No, man. Don't say that.
What? I sincerely forget what the lion got. But anyway, don't be nervous.
I can't help it, man. There's so many things to be nervous about. I might get the coronavirus. I might... What if there's a depression? And, they're coming to get me.
No one's coming to get you.
How do you know? You're not really paranoid if they really are coming to get you.
Well, no one's coming to get you, trust me. You're a very old man now. Wouldn't that movie come out in the 30s or something?
Yeah.
If they wanted to get you, Cowardly Lion, they would have gotten you by now. You're fine. Don't be so nervous.
I can't help it, man. All day long, all I do is I think and I ruminate, and I'm just so nervous. I don't know what to do with myself.
Sweetie, what should he do?
Hey, Mitsubishi? Yeah, what do you want, Natasha? I'm going to give you some advice.
What's that?
Is your, kitchen all messy right now?
Yeah, it's pretty messy.
I want you to do your dishes, and I want you to shake the rugs, and I want you to wash the floor, with water. I can't do that, man. There's too much to worry about. Well, that's the point. If you clean up, you're going to stop worrying about your stuff, and it'll make you feel better.
Yeah, that's actually really great advice.
I know, huh?
Yeah, listen, I've done this myself. I remember that time I was freaking out. I had been going on a binge of worrying, a binge of anxiety. I was just chewing on issues and troubles and problems I was having. And I called you up and I was like, I'm freaking out. I don't know what to do.
Yeah, I remember that.
And you gave me that same advice. You were like, what's your apartment look like? And I went, it's a total mess. Is your apartment a total mess?
Yeah, man, I haven't had time to clean or anything. I've just been, I don't know, man. I'm up all night and I sleep all day and I can't clean and I can't concentrate. I'm a nervous wreck, man.
Yeah. Well, that's because a lot of people, when they get anxiety, they also have depression. And, it's okay. Just know that. That's why you can't clean. One quick fix about all this, it'll distract your mind, clean up your in fact, we could have talked about this tomorrow.
Because it's floor washing day?
Exactly. Like Dr. Evil says.
Yeah.
But, if you can create order in your outside world, you'll create order on the inside. And the problem is, your mind is too depressed and ruminating about abstract things. You're living in the future. You're living in your imagination. Worrying also isn't going to help anything. If someone's out to get you, if one of those flying monkey bats is going to attack you, it's not helping you just freaking out. Go hunting or whatever. You're a lion. What are you afraid of monkeys for?
I don't know, man. They give me the creeps.
Yeah, but you're the king of the jungle. You tell those monkeys who's the real Ogama, the real chief.
I don't care. I don't know.
One more thing.
What's that, man?
Make a gratitude list. Write down some stuff you're grateful for. Like let's do it right now. What's one thing you're grateful for? Zengenda Mishabiji, Cowardly Lion.
Well, I guess I got really nice beard. My hair and my beard, man. I can't believe I'm 90 years old and I still look this good.
Yeah, I think you're older than that. No, he's probably 90. No, he's much older than that because he's grown up. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Yeah, see, be like that. You got beautiful hair. What else?
I guess I got a pretty good singing voice.
You've got a good singing voice?
Yeah, listen to this. If I were king of the forest, not duke, not prince, not queen, but king of the forest.
That's awesome.
Yeah, well, I've been working on it for a while.
Okay. When are they going to do the sequel to The Wizard of Oz, or the spin-off where the lion gets his revenge?
I don't know. That'd be a good idea.
Listen, Cowardly Lion, I got to get going. But hang in there. You're going to be okay.
All right, man. Well, thanks for taking some time.
Yeah, no problem. Giga Wabba Min, Mina Wa.
Giga Wabba Min, Mina Wa, Nanaboozhoo.
What was that all about?
I don't know. He broke into song.
You broke into song. Poor old Cowardly Lion. It's not easy being a coward.
No.
He's too careful. Shirley says, Mino Giga Jeb, Nanaboozhoo. Right back at you, sister. Natasha,
Hey.
And the Rockstar Cartoonist, Michael Lyons and Miigwech for 1,406 awesome videos. Michael, we've done 1,406 videos. That's insane. How is that possible? How many years have we been doing this?
I I know. 1,400. Let's see. There's 350 days in 1 year. Yeah. How can we have over 1,000? Really? So we've put out one every day for 3 years. Yeah, that's about right. We've been doing this for about 4 years. Oh wow. Mino Gigajeb, I have to go wash houses. Go wash your house. If you clean your house, you know, I mean, it's really something for me to be saying this. I know, we're total slobs. Yeah, we're complete slobs. But occasionally, you know, we'll clean up, and it's true. Once you create some order, you know, you can't fix the world, but you can organize your silverware. And it's one small little thing. Worry is a misuse of the imagination. Is worry a misuse of the imagination, sweetie? Yeah, I'd say. It's like, you know, you can conceive of anything, so you picture this the worst thing possible. Yeah. Worry. What is the thing about, the thing is like taking poison, hoping your enemies die. Resentment, maybe? Resentment is drinking poison, hoping it'll kill your enemy. Sequoia Hummingbird says, write a love letter to yourself. That's a great idea. Write a love letter to yourself. Oh, I wonder what that would sound like. Dear NanaBOOZHOO. Oh, wow, look at you. You're so handsome. Nah. Oh, I every day, I can't wait to wake up and look in your eyes in the mirror. I wrote this song for you, NanaBOOZHOO. Here, I drew a picture of you. Michael, with the amount of times you've drawn pictures of yourself, I think that's like a love letter to yourself. Oh yeah, I know. I love me. You gotta love yourself. Be good, but if you can't, you don't get hurt and you don't get caught. But whatever you do, you'll remember forever. Yeah, good or bad, you're gonna remember what you do. So you better be careful. Look out! There's threats all along everywhere. Is there? Yeah, I've been watching the internet a lot. And one thing I've learned. What's that? The world is a horrible place filled with all kinds of dangers. Any minute now, something really bad's going to happen. And yet, every year keeps cruising by. I know. Someday, I want to do an experiment. What are you going to do? I want to shut off the stupid, no offense, stupid YouTube. And don't watch TV. Don't listen to any outside anything. For like a week. Yeah. And then, notice if, number one, I don't think anything would happen. I don't think we'd miss anything. But I bet you we'd cheer up. I know I'd cheer up. Because it's just one thing after another. Like, you ever go back, you think, oh, what's this now? Here's some breaking news. And you click on a YouTube video and it's actually 2 years ago. And there's old Tucker Carlson or somebody. Oh, look out! Here's another bad thing that's probably going to happen. It's really going to... Oh, so this is our country now? But in reality, nothing really happens. Oh, the transgenders are coming to take your kids. Well, don't bring them down to the strip club. You'll be fine. But I watch these videos and it makes me think the world's going crazy. That there's nothing but just decadent corruption and whatever. But then, you look out the window and it's exactly like it. The view of it from this window is the same view as it was in 1985.
Acid rain never destroyed our woods like they told us it was going to in the 70s. You know, I never did get abducted by aliens. All the things I used to be worried about never happened. So why do I worry now?
You can't worry.
What, me worry? Mad Magazine. I don't know. All right. Well, hey, sweetie. How about we do this?
What's that?
Let's play. Can I make another request?
Sure.
Would you mind going over to that grand piano just over there where the audience can't see?
Just out of camera view?
Yeah. Would you mind playing a song?
I'd love to play a song. What do you want to hear?
Can you play Fix You by whoever?
Oh, I love that band. Whoever's my favorite band.
Yeah.
You mean, what's her name?
That's just it. Coldplay.
Yeah, Coldplay. Sure, I can play Fix You.
This is the lovely and talented Natasha, and she's going to play Fix You by Coldplay. Up next, the lovely and talented Natasha. Miigwech biz and dawi egg. Thank you for listening. Ah, for crying out loud. That is not what I wanted it to look like. All right, everyone pretend you didn't just see that little ghost. Hey, sweetie,
What's that?
would you teleport me away?
Where would you like to go?
Oh, I don't know. Off camera?
Sure.
I'm going to go off camera. Now, please welcome Natasha.
Want to teleport?
Make it so. This is so stupid.
I know. When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in reverse, tears come streaming down your face. When you lose something you can't replace, when you love someone but it goes to waste, could it be worse? Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you.
sweetie. That was gorgeous.
Oh, thank you so much. Coldplay. Lights will guide you home. What am I doing here? And ignite your bones. And I will try to fix you, baby. Oh, here we go. Just let me readjust myself here. Anyway, so how you guys doing? BOOZHOO. Natasha Dindisha Cause. What are we talking about today, sweetie?
We're talking about Nano-Geisha Good.
Nano-Geisha Good. It's Friday. Is it payday?
You know what? We haven't been paid for the radio show yet. That should be coming in the mail any day now.
All right. Friday. It's Friday. I'm in love. Deb Waitem. Do you but Deb Waitem? In life after love, after love. Do you believe in life after love, NanaBOOZHOO?
Life after love? Yeah, I guess so. If Cher said it, it must be true.
Exactly. Cher said it. Do you, Deb Waitem, in life after love, after love? Deb Waitem, actually, believe in, would be Deb Waitem. Do you, Deb Waitem, in life after love, after love? I really don't think you're strong enough. How come nobody talks about Cher being a vampire?
You think Cher's a vampire?
Have you seen her? She hasn't changed in 50 years. It's gotten to a point where you're like, what? That's Cher? I mean, at least Madonna has the decency to have obvious plastic surgery. But Cher, she just looks like the same. It's ridiculous. Do you believe in life after love? Do you believe in life after Daniel Black?
Yeah, I think so.
Hey, Daniel Black. Let's go, Daniel the Sage Black. He's back. Back in the New York groove. Do you believe? Or gone witten? Gone witten. Not believing. And what difference does it make? What I believe. Everything is so based on believing stuff. Isn't that right?
Yeah, it sure is.
You know, do you believe? Do you believe in the vaccinations? Or do you not believe? Which camp are you in? If you believe a certain way, you could be part of our church. Hey, do you believe Jesus is the Son of God and the Holy Ghost? 3 in 1? Do you believe nobody understands what they're talking about when they say that? Well, then welcome to church. Oh, you don't believe that? Gone waiting? Then this way, please. You can be part of this other church. Oh, do you believe? Belief. When I was raised,
Yeah?
they said you had to believe that Jesus died on the cross and was resurrected, came back to life, walked out of the tomb. Hello, everybody. I'm back. I'm back in the New York groove. But if you didn't believe that, straight to hell.
Hey.
I mean, that's just what they told me. That's why I thought, well, okay, so I said I believed it. I ain't going to take the chance. I believe I don't want to go to hell. How about that? So, yeah, okay, sign me up. I believe it. But how can you believe it? I wasn't there. I believe that this world is full of liars. And that most of everything we think we know, we've been lied to about. That's what I believe. So what? God sets up a system where I have to take somebody's word for something? before he'll let me into heaven. Well, that doesn't sound very fair. Yeah, well, you better believe it. Yeah, I better believe it. My grandma used to say that a lot too. You better believe it. I mean, not necessarily about like religion or things. That was just an expression from her generation. Oh, you better believe it. The way in him. It's the truth. The way no, I can't remember. The way win is the truth. Represented by the turtle. Mashike. The turtle. Mikanak. That's the snapping turtle. He'll snap your head off. Do we have a turtle here? I don't think so. We should invite a turtle on the show. That's a good idea. Anyway, we got Grandma Omamakaki. We got Nokomis Omakaki there back in the lamp. Yeah, grandmother frog. And the boys. Anyway, do you believe in life after love? Hey, sweetie. Yeah? You want to take a call? Well, sure, I'll take a phone call. Who's on the line?
Keanu Reeves is on the line, too, if you want to talk to him.
Oh, sure, I'll talk to Keanu Reeves. For crying out loud, why didn't you tell me? Hey, Keanu Reeves! Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air.
Hey there, Natasha. How you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Not too bad. I was going out onto the surf. I'll go out to the ocean, gonna surf on my surfboard, hang tan, be there with Lady Blue. 'Cause there's nothing better than when you catch it some gnarly waves.
Do you really surf?
No, I don't. But I do live in California, and I like to, watch, what's that called?
Surfboarders?
Surfboarders?
Yeah.
But no, I do like to ride my motorcycle and shoot guns, though, 'cause that's the kind of guy I am. I like to ride motorcycles. I like to shoot my guns.
Okay. So what can I do for you today?
Want to learn the Ojibwe word of the day, if you wouldn't mind.
Oh, no, I'd be happy to teach you the Ojibwe word of the day. And we were talking about being good or being careful. Ishi-eya means to be a certain way.
Ishi-eya, gnarly. I'm gnarly. Ishi-eya, gnarly.
Okay. I wouldn't say you're gnarly.
No, I wouldn't say I was gnarly. But what's that, Mino?
Yeah, minnow means good. So if you can be good, you would say, Ishi-eya, be good.
Ishi-eya, Mino, be good.
Ishi-eya, minnow, be good. Or if you can't be good, be careful. Ishi-eya, gawamazi.
Ishi-eya, guamazi.
Ishi-eya, guamazi.
Oh, that's all right. I'm really good and I'm really careful.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, I'm really good. Did you know my girlfriend's all old and nasty and she poops her depends?
Yeah, I saw that.
So you gotta be very careful when you're changing her. You wanna meet her?
Well, I'd love to meet your girlfriend.
Hey, darling, do you wanna meet Natasha?
Who's that, Sonny?
Natasha, she's from the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast.
Well, I don't know. Oh, okay.
Yeah, hang on. Here she comes.
Hello? Well, hi, Keanu Reeves' girlfriend. How are you? Who is this? Who's on the line? This is Natasha from the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast.
Yeah, she's really good Ojibwe teacher.
Oh, it's okay then. What's your Ojibwe word for today? Well, today is Friday, and we call it Nanogishagud, the 5th day, or Friday. Nanogishagud. That's very special, sweetheart. And what's this here talking about? Ishi-eya? To be a certain way? Yeah, if you want to say be good, you say Ishi-eya minnow. Is it, me no. Be good. Oh, yeah, okay, well, bless my heart. Or bless your heart. And what is that, Guamazi? Then Guamazi means be careful. Is he a Guamazi? Or is he a Guamazi? Be careful. That's a Ojibwe word for careful, is it, honey? Yeah, sure is. Well, I just don't know. I pooped my pants! Oh, Natasha, I gotta get going. She pooped her pants. But it's okay. I'm really good. I'll clean her up. I don't even care. 'Cause I don't care she's old and nasty. She's beautiful on the inside. Okay, fine. Gigawabba man, Minawa, Keanu Reeves. Gigawabba man, Minawa, Natasha. Yeah, okay. Why does he always drag her on? You know, he wants to get some credit for having an older girlfriend. And she's not even that old. It's really embarrassing to have her. I'm not sure he's such a good person after all. Yeah, you know, it's kind of a cool movie. That last Matrix was so stupid. I didn't see it. Neither did I. I just saw the trailers for it. So why am I talking about it? Ijaya Minnow, be good. Ijaya Guamazi, be careful. If you can't be good, be careful. And that's all I have to say about that. Once I was a fool, dreaming my life away. And then yesterday I found you looking for me, dragging your heart around in a lost and found. I love you. Gisaka-in. I love you, sweetie. Yeah, I know. What? Gisaka-in. Did we have an I love you cartoon I can share? I'm going to try to find a... I mean, why was your voice coming out of my mouth? Yeah. You going to find an I love you cartoon? Yeah. Oh, here's another, or here's another. I gotta start paying attention. Ondas. Come here. Gizaka-in. Oh, it's cute. Ondas. I thought Ambe was come here. Ambe is come here. Well, you know. Yesterday our word of the day was Ambe. Come here. But you can also say Ondas. Gizaka-in. And there's little cutie. He's being hugged by Jagog. Jagog is a skunk. He's saying, "Bonjour, Jagog. Hello, Jagog." And this is a cartoon by the rock star cartoonist Michael Lyons. In the story, Dog and Maingan, in the story, little cutie, Bana. Little cutie goes out into the woods and he meets a bunch of his old friends. They haven't seen him in a while. And he finds out that actually all the woodland animals just love little cutie. They think he's so little and cute. They like him. They're like, "Oh, where have you been?" Because little cutie is very accepting. His nose is just made out of black felt, so he can't smell anything. So he's respectful of Jagog, the skunk. And he doesn't have any teeth. He's just a stuffed animal. So he's not a threat to anybody. He's like a cuddly little teddy bear. And so people aren't afraid of him at all. But even though everyone in the woods likes him, they don't like each other. Nobody likes the skunk because they all think he stinks. Everyone's afraid of the bears. The squirrel really hates human beings. The chickens really hates the fox. The fox disrespects the eagle. It's really kind of clever. But But everybody likes little cutie because he's little and cute. Come here, I love you. Gizakain. But, so yeah, there's that. And, what do you think, Michael?
Do you want to tell them about Patreon?
Oh, yeah. If you'd like to support the show, you could click in the links in the description box below. Links to Patreon, PayPal, or GoFundMe. And, oh, by the way, I shouldn't even say this. Should we quit using GoFundMe?
Why?
Because of what they did to that guy. There's a dude, I think he was from like another country, but he worked here in America. Old elder. Working in a convenience store. Some guy in just terrible dreads. Not dreads, but what's that when they put the braids in their hair? Gold earring. Just a, I don't know what he was. Comes in, starts slapping around, and jumps over the corner. He's being robbed. Pulls this guy out of his chair. He's going to rob the place. So, dude takes a knife, kills him dead. Oh, you wanted to rob us? Oh, yeah. No, I'm from another country. We don't. This is how we do it in Venezuela, or wherever the guy was from. And he just stabs him dead. And everyone goes, well, that's what you get for trying to rob the convenience store. This guy's like, what was he, 65 years old or something? And the guy he killed was like in his 20s. He's like, no, you're not robbing me. I'm going to stab you dead. Well, neighborhood hero. Cops come by, arrest the guy who stabbed him for murder. Well, you can't murder him. All he was trying to do was rob your convenience store. And, But then, so they started a GoFundMe campaign. We should have figured out that guy's name.
Yeah, no kidding.
But they're like, okay, we got to raise money, get him out of jail. Help him, have a defense. It wasn't murder. He was being robbed, and the other guy was attacking him. He defended himself with a knife because he's hardcore and killed him. Whatever. But GoFundMe went, no. He killed a black guy. So you can't raise money for your defense of defending yourself against a black guy. Because that's racist. So GoFundMe took down his campaign. You can't help him if you want to use GoFund. But, what's that have to do with us?
I don't know.
You can do the same thing on PayPal. Yeah, let's quit using GoFundMe.
It takes more work to stop using it than to having it there.
Okay. GoFundMe, PayPal, and Patreon. And you can order Ojibwe language books and comics by Michael Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist, at Amazon.com. Otherwise, you want to add anything? Nope, that's great. How about you, rockstar? Nope, thank you very much. You're very welcome. And just want to say, having said that, let me say this. I just want to say miigwech, bisindawieg. Thank you for listening. And miigwech ganawabieg. And thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO.
Okay, miigwech.
That's Michael Lyons.
Thanks so much. We'll see you tomorrow.
And I will see you again. Giga-wabamin. Minawa. Hala. Sweetie,
One to teleport.
see you tomorrow. Make it so, number one. Nah.